things that light up.
More fashion, please.
Yes. You can never have too many Ricer mods.
Damn, they out here paying you with some funny money now, dude?
Yeah.
That's cool.
sick. Sometimes the funny bills gotta come out. You know? Pay me in cartoon money.
Cartoon as money. So, I've seen LA Dub Raps. So, Rio owns LA Dub Raps?
Yeah.
Ah.
It is Mr. Dubs. Work on the helmet yesterday because it's broken, so that maybe wore it, you know, once or twice too many. So taped the bill and then got fancy underneath.
I can't read that, dude. What's that translate?
It says that the weak are meat and the strong eat.
Ah.
Yeah, it's the law of the jungle. Right here. They're like little backstep covers. Yeah. So they were black originally, which doesn't match anything on my motorcycle. Red till you're dead. Speed run the old sanding process. Wanna watch me like completely destroy this? Always something crazy blasting down the street.
Ooh.
Yeah. Nice and bright. Yes, indeed. So that will go right there. That'll be cool. Grab a... ooh, that's large. All right. Couple sockets. This.
It's got a fistful of sockets.
This is peak.
Fuck a sack
12.
full of nickels. We got a sack full of sockets.
Yep.
12?
12 for this little guy. All right, and the large one.
Betting on 15.
15, huh? All right, let's see 17.
Ooh.
Might be 17.
Ooh.
Just in there real tight.
Maxed out.
Boy. Yep.
Yeah, nice.
That is a large bolt.
Seriously. Oh,
Just messing up the chrome, don't mind me.
oh, come on, man.
Sorry.
The silencer and the beeper.
Yep. Extra silence. Alright. Just like that. Wow. Let's see, is this bolt long enough? Nope. It's almost. Good thing I have more hardware.
Nice.
Bam! Swap to the old Allen hardware. X key the world.
Ah.
Ooh, shiny. Bite.
Ooh, nice. And it sits pretty damn flush on there, too.
Sure does.
There.
I swear I'm a professional. A bunch of random hardware in here because I am an organized mess. And by organized, I mean, what am I doing? Beautiful. That's on there. Just the way I like it. Nice and violently red. Yeah, that's cool.
Where'd you get those?
They're made by Kamikaze Racing in Japan.
Okay.
Yeah.
About how much did that run you?
Well, I got these for free because one of the shop mates actually bought these and then was like, I don't like the way they look on my bike. Do you want them? And I was like, they're black. I'll paint them red. And he was like, yeah, great. Here, take them.
Come up.
You paid $80 for them, though.
That's not too bad.
Not too bad.
Yeah.
Adds to the aesthetic. Looks old-timey.
Yeah.
Now I can bring my mess of sockets over to the other side. Any guesses on if I'm good enough to use matching hardware left and right?
We still got to shave off the other side, though.
Oh, that's true. That's true. Oh, that's right. And my megaphone bracket is on this side.
Yeah, extra hand.
That should be alright. It's just the retainer that keeps it from swinging around.
Oh, no.
The ease of removal really makes me think I should bolt check this motorcycle more often. None of that felt tight.
This fool really got Nampa on the side of his bike.
Sure do.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Behind door number 1. Nope. Let's see. Should probably organize my hardware at some point. But where's the fun in that?
That's next up on the whiteboard.
Probably. I should probably get a whiteboard.
Put that on the whiteboard too, whiteboard. Get a whiteboard.
Get a whiteboard. Put it on the whiteboard. Nothing in here. Oh man! The bottom of the welding cart. Now we're really scraping the bottom of the barrel.
Uh-oh. A nut to back up his nut. You gotta back up your nut, man.
Oh man. It would be generational shame if I can't find hardware.
This would be a great time to tell people about the bring your own hardware deal that we got going.
Dude, I'll take all hardware donations. If anybody would like to give me hardware. It's M10, just the wrong pitch. Great. I was so close. Please, I'm begging you. Nope.
I'm sorry, Billy. You went a little too high on your guess.
Yeah, the price is in fact wrong.
This is a great time to tell people about our sponsors today. Today's sponsors are, Good Call Racing.
Yes, sponsored by myself.
Hey, that's how we do. That's what Soldier Boy does, right?
True. Soldier Boy made it first.
Bro's meta, dude.
I'm telling you, everything, he's been doing it.
Think about it, we're just sponsoring ourselves, man.
Right. True.
So
we're all just one self-sponsorship away from greatness.
We just gotta shout ourselves out more, you know what I'm saying?
True. True. I gotta get on the internet and
Pepsi
shout
pays
myself
the
out.
big bucks.
Oh, man. Too fine. Too fine.
Oh, back scratching.
I'd trade all this hardware for one good nut. Wait, pause.
Hey, yo!
I swear it's not my net, bro.
Oh, it's the Diddy of shops, man, Jocko.
Hey, hold on. It was a joke for legal reasons.
Oh, I got 50 bottles of oil. Oh my god. This guy's going back in time looking for this right now, dude.
Yeah. Maybe the 50s machine will deliver. Bro, please.
Alright, so I'm gonna go and take the nut from the other side and then give it to him and make him think there was another one.
Oh, man. Tragic. You're like, oh, yes!
Oh, sick! Guess I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah, put my foot on the back step and it just falls off.
Ding, 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 ding.
Hey, bro, you just got punked.
All right, man.
Did
Yeah.
I just date myself? Right?
All right, man. You can't come in anymore, man.
That's it. Invitation rescinded.
Yeah, I'm gonna. You're trespassing you're trespassing at this point now, dude.
Oh. It's true. See yourself out. That's it. Had it with you.
Jocko, Billy blocked me on Instagram.
What do I do, man?
Alas,
Salvation.
we've made it. My brethren. It's been such a long journey.
Can you spare some oats, brother? All right. I should probably tighten this one down too.
Yeah, probably, huh?
Oopsie tee.
That shit smelled like crazy.
That was super not tight. All right. Now we're riding in style. Look at that. Yeah. Please start. Of course it starts. Brake. All along.
people if I want to.
Oi, omae! Good bike.
Good bike.
Good bike. Well-behaved bike today. Every now and then it does the thing.
Yeah.
And I don't hate it so much. Ah,
It's just car life, but 2 wheels.
it is.
That's all it is.
It's easier to fix, but boy, does it need to be fixed a lot. Getting down with these little fins. They're cool.
Yeah, they look pretty snazzy.
Yeah. A little more color to the whole spiel.
And it goes really well with the kickstand over here. Like if,
Ah, yes. The LA fresh.
or just like it flows well.